Hello friends, welcome to Utrinet classes. PhD admission notification 2021. पहले एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया एंड सिलेक्शन प्रोसीड्यूर देख लेते हैं. मास्टर डिग्री में 55% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade in a subject related to the PhD discipline where applying. A relaxation of 5% marks or an equivalent relaxation of grade from the requirement of above shall be applicable to candidates belonging to SC/ST OBC, differently abled and such other categories as specified in case of admission in an institution under Government of Assam. While determining the eligibility of a candidate, subject to conditions 1 and 2 above, grace marks or points awarded in the qualifying examination, if any, shall not be counted. Selection will be via a written entrance test followed by Viva Voice to be held separately for each department or discipline. The minimum qualifying marks in the entrance test is fixed at 50% as per UGC guidelines. Okay, the minimum qualifying mark for candidates belonging to categories mentioned in 2 above will be 45%. तो जो भी SC/ST OBC कैटेगरीज के अंदर है उन लोगों के लिए 45% और जनरल के लिए 55% कट ऑफ है एंट्रेंस टेस्ट के रिटन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट की. फॉर फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स आर weightage of 70% to the entrance test and 30% to the performance in the interview or Viva Voice shall be given. Applicants having qualified for a national level scholarship such as UGC or CSIR Junior Research Fellowship may be called to attend the interview or Viva Voice of the admissible discipline of the scholarship without having appeared in the written test. If the number of such applicants is small, they are however advised to appear in the written test. ठीक है. Candidates who had cleared NET or SLAT in the related discipline within a period of 2 years preceding the date of this notification may be eligible for a relaxation of minimum qualifying marks in the written examination up to a maximum of 5%. ठीक है. The number of seats available for each department or discipline will depend on permissible limits of the research scholars that can be assigned to a guide and other relevant parameters of the date of Viva Voice. All selected research scholars must comply with the conditions for PhD program. Attendance of PhD coursework classes is compulsory for all the research scholars, and one with attendance less than 75% of total classes held in the concerned department of faculty shall be debarred from appearing in the PhD coursework examination. ये आए हैं कॉटन यूनिवर्सिटी पान बाजार गुवाहाटी असम से. एडमिशन टू PhD प्रोग्राम फैकल्टी क्या क्या है. फैकल्टी ऑफ आर्ट साइंस ज्योग्राफी जियोलॉजी. फैकल्टी ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड सोशल साइंस के अंदर एंथ्रोपोलॉजी आर्कियोलॉजी इकोनॉमिक्स एजुकेशन हिस्ट्री फिलोसॉफी पॉलिटिकल साइंस सोशियोलॉजी. फैकल्टी ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस लिटरेचर एंड लिंग्विस्टिक्स अरबिक असमीज बंगाली बोडो इंग्लिश हिंदी पर्शियन. Faculty of Life Sciences, Botany, Environmental Biology and Wildlife Sciences, Zoology. Faculty of Physics, Chemical and Mathematical Sciences, Chemistry, Computer Science and IT, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics. The university encourages multidisciplinary programs. Mode of application. Application may only be submitted online through the university website. Official website www.cottonuniversity.ac.in from 25th January 2021. Application fees 1200 rupees. Payment of application fee is to be made online through debit or credit card or net banking only at the time of filling up the online application form. Last date of application fees 13th 3rd February 2021 5 p.m. and last date of submission of application 4th February 2021 7 p.m. Date of written examination 13th February 2021 as tentatively and venue Cotton University. ओके सो इसका ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का जो लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं वो डाल दूँगी। आपको अगर यहाँ पर पीएचडी की एप्लीकेशन डालना है तो ज़रूर फॉर्म डालें और जल्द कीजिए, ठीक है। और ऐसे ही नोटिफिकेशन को लेने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। एंड फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो थैंक यू वेरी मच।